What should you do if you're arrested for battery in Orlando, Florida? Unfortunately, this is one of the most common cases that I have. Many clients come in to see me for this type of charge. Battery, which is the unlawful touching or striking of another individual, is commonly charged throughout Orlando, Florida. Orlando, Florida has a lot of outdoor venues. We have a lot of places where people congregate or come together. And it's just a normal city where there's a lot of activity going on and people come into contact with each other, some for good reasons and some not for good reasons. If you find yourself in a situation where you're charged with battery, the first thing that you should do is get an attorney involved, because that attorney who's experienced in dealing with these types of cases, they will be able to gather all the evidence quickly, which will end up supporting your defense of your case. So what's very important is to know that battery cases can vary. You can have a simple battery, which is a misdemeanor, and then you can have more serious batteries where batteries may be resulted in extreme harm or death or injury to the individual. Now, only an experienced attorney is going to be able to walk you through that process, explain to you what defenses you may or may not have, and at the end of the day, try to minimize any damages or effects to you as a result of the battery. Another defense is that the person accusing you is lying. I've seen that many times in many of my cases, where maybe out of spite, someone says that they were hit by you or that they were attacked by you. So getting an attorney involved, getting that evidence together is very critical. That way we can narrow the facts down, we can get everything that we need to do to defend your case. But timing is very important. Also, we're able to go out to the locations where they're at. Maybe we can pull security footage, which often is not retained for a very long time. And in that footage, we can look through that footage and find other defenses. Maybe you were attacked or provoked and were simply defending yourself. So these are the things that we can only access if we're consulted right away. If we're consulted a year down the road or 6 months down the road, that's not going to help you if there was a video out there that was erased after 20 days. So it's very important to get someone involved as soon as possible. Battery, depending on whatever level it is considered a violent offense, so that could have other long-lasting ramifications for you and your criminal record as you move forward through life. So it's essential that you get an attorney to protect you from any of these negative consequences and to help defend you and your freedom. If you have any other questions about battery in Central Florida or Orlando, Florida, please contact the Victory Law Firm.